Did you know that mortgage brokers are now legally obliged to act in your best interest and to prioritise your interests over their own or the lender's? Banks and lenders aren't under the same legal obligation. At the beginning of January this year, legislation was introduced called the Best Interest Duty, or BID. So what are they? What does that mean? Well, one, it means brokers have to act in the best interests of their clients. Now, this is called the Best Interest Duty. Two, if there is a conflict of interest, the client's interests are prioritised over those of the lender and the broker, known as the conflict priority rule. Collectively, these two obligations make up the best interest duties. Now, the experienced mortgage brokers I know would argue that they have always done this. However, following the Royal Commission recommendations, the government needed to ensure that borrowers are better protected through legislation. Makes it clear. Why is this important to you? Practically speaking, because the banks don't have the same legal obligations. You can rest assured that when you apply for a loan through a mortgage broker, they'll be prioritising you and your interests above everybody else. Number one, best interest. So what do I mean when I say brokers have to act in the best interest of their client? Firstly, when it comes to the best interest duty, when recommending a product, the mortgage broker must assess both cost and non-cost factors, such as interest rate, fees, repayment amount, among other things, are cost factors, but they're pretty obvious ones. Non-cost factors like loan features and flexibility are equally as important. In a lot of circumstances, the lowest price option may not be the best option for a borrower. In some cases, it may mean that your broker will challenge you on what you think are the best options. However, the final decision on what home loan option you take always rests with you. The broker's responsibility is simply this: to ensure the recommendation they provide is in your best interest. 2, conflict. What do I mean when I say the no conflict rule? Well, your broker must not recommend a product that benefits the broker and or the lender, but is not in the best interest of you, the borrower. So if there's a conflict, just because maybe the broker gets more commission, they can't recommend that to you. Let's say Home Loan A offers a borrower a reasonable interest rate and features without any fees. Home Loan B, on the other hand, does the same but has a fee and a higher commission for the broker. In this case, the broker must recommend Home Loan A. Pretty straightforward. These best interest duty obligations are quite important and provide an extra layer of protection for consumers looking to get a home loan through a mortgage broker. They operate as another, let's call it incentive for you as a consumer to approach a broker when you're looking to start your home loan journey, or when you're looking to manage your existing home loan by refinancing, for example. Mortgage brokers are there to help you, guide you, and prioritise your interest in finding the best deal to suit your circumstances. I guess what's really important here too is that this legislation helps to build confidence in brokers. It takes away from you thinking that a broker is always going to be looking after their corner and never looking after your corner. The best interest duty is designed to achieve a number of things. To learn more about these new obligations and how they impact you, head to ybr.com.au or reach out to one of our experienced brokers to ask them about the best interest duties.